My wife Joan is a cake decorator. She taught for Wilton for over 15 years, but when Michaels and Joanne canceled their cake training classes, she decided to ramp up doing cakes. She's always done around 12 wedding cakes a year, or about one a month, which was all she wanted to keep her skills sharp. With our kids grown and out of the house, we decided on a whim to move to a new city where she had no connections and no name recognition. She was virtually unknown to anyone in the community. She had to start completely from scratch. That's where I come in. My name is Colin Brown, and I've been marketing on the web since 1995. She wanted to build a brand and a reputation, but didn't know where to start, since we knew absolutely no one. I put my online marketing skills to work, and within 2 to 3 months, she was booked. Today, she does more than 200 cakes a year and turns down business all the time. Since the cake decorating business is so localized, I figured, why not help others grow their cake decorating business since they don't compete with us? So I recorded some videos that show you exactly how to start from scratch and build a cake decorating business as big as you want. If it is just a side hustle, this will work for you. If you have a bakery and capacity for large numbers, this course will work for you as well. The biggest problem Joan has is turning down business. She hates doing that. But when you have 5 wedding cakes scheduled for this Saturday and someone calls for a custom birthday cake, you have to learn to say no. Or you can simply hire staff. That is what is so cool about this business. You can manage how big you want to be. In this online course, we'll show you exactly the steps we took to grow quickly. And what's even cooler is that we didn't spend a dime on advertising. It was all organic growth from the internet. So check it out. We personally guarantee that this is the best course you'll find on marketing a cake decorating business. And we are so certain that we can get you results that we will help you get to the number you want by providing ongoing support with regular Zoom calls to answer questions and give feedback on your marketing to make sure you are at the top of the search engines in your area. This extra handholding is worth at least $2,000 alone, which makes this course a no-brainer. Click on Get Started below and we'll see you on the inside.